Hey everybody, thank you guys so much for tuning in yet again. Today I wanted to bring you the recipe to this look that I created with the tea palette from Rainbow Station Eyes. I'll be doing a full review on my website, so make sure you guys go over there and check it out. This is what the palette looks like. And the first color I'll be using is called Tell All. It's the top left burgundy shade. The palette has 18 colors and it's for a very, very reasonable price in my opinion, of course. I'm going to be taking this burgundy and blending it out so it's as even as possible as a base color. The second shade I'm going to be using is called Gossip, and I'm going to put that right underneath my brows to kind of diffuse that burgundy a little bit because I don't want it to be too stiff under my brows. The next shade I'll be using in the outer V is called Dirt, and it's the darkest shade in the palette. It's a deep brown. And since it's October, which was the inspiration for this look, I should tell you guys that Rainbow Station Eyes has colored contacts. So if you're looking for Halloween contacts, you probably want to go over there right now. That way you get them before Halloween. I have contacts from this brand that I wear in some of my looks. You can flip over to my Instagram or my Facebook and see that as well. We're going to go ahead and cut the crease with a white base so that when we lay down the bright colors, they pop. The first lid color we're going to go in with is this yellow shade called Scoop. And I'm going to lay that down with a flat brush. The next shade we're going to use is called Scandal, and it's this bright tomato red. And we're going to put that right between Dirt and Scoop. And what I do so that that shade isn't, stiff, just sitting there looking unblended, I kind of take my brush and go back and forth between the colors to make sure that it's blended all the way down my eyelid. I'm gonna add some glitter glue and we're gonna get into this neon yellow glitter. I'm sorry it doesn't come from anywhere, any type of a brand. I got it from the dollar store maybe like 2 years ago, a year ago at least, and it was in a pack of 9 different glitters, and I just decided to use it because it was chunky glitter and I knew it was going to give me the effect that I wanted. I did add liner, but I cut that part out of the video. You guys already know to add black liner before you put glitter on, right? No need to tell you that. And I loved how it just gave that effect. Like I was looking for that glassy yellow green effect, and I think I pulled it off. I'm going to take this shade, which is the last shade that we're going to use in this palette, called Two Sugars, and it's a metallic white. And for the rest of the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the same brushes and go back and forth and do exactly what I did to the top on the bottom. I put a little bit of silver liner where the metallic white was, and then the rest of my liner was black. And I added lashes, and that's it. That's all I have for this look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys love how it looks for October fall deep dark look. All of the products for this look will be listed on my Instagram. Some of it's on Facebook. Make sure you guys connect with me over there on my other social channels. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Be sure to look in the description box for all the links. I will see you next time.